Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Tehseen Azhar. Today we are back with another video. So today we are going to learn about how to make an Gmail ID. कि Gmail ID कैसे बनाते हैं. So let's start with our video. Well, सबसे पहले कि हम क्या करना होगा, हमने गूगल खोल लिया या आपके पास अगर क्रोम है या Mozilla है, whatever like Firefox अगर आप यूज करते हैं. So in the Google you can write Gmail login. Okay, because for example, or you don't have a Gmail account, so what you need to do, sign in this Gmail Google. Let's click on that. Okay, now when I don't have a Gmail account, I need to create one. So just go on create an account. Need to plug in your first name. For example, right now I'm making for my a job portfolio, so I'll write job insights. So that would be for all right at the time. So they're like, okay, let's do it insights. Great. And password, whatever you would like to have, but keep in mind that your password should be numeric numbers as well as some alphabets so that it makes a little bit strong one. Don't use Google's password because that's not that much safe. Always use your own personal passwords. Next. I don't want to save it. It's an optional. I don't want to give my mobile number right now. I don't want to reveal the gender as well, date of birth. Next. Okay, that's mandatory. So let's plug in that data as well. Like 15 to birth. You can write whatever, like right now I'm writing maybe 1950, 1970, maybe let's plug in. Otherwise, if you want to write your own, or you should write your correct one, but right now just to have the idea, I'm writing and plugging this one. So this is like the screen will be opening in front of you. This is like the privacy and the terms and conditions. Need to go through all the details at what they are going to process through this Google account, what are their policies, how they are combined, and what you are in control of your Gmail account. So I say, okay, I agree. When I click on I agree, I am going to be diverted. मुझे re-divert किया जा रहा है. Now it's like browsing. So I'm waiting for that. Okay. I'm going to go in the Google Workplace. So that's it. My Gmail account has been created. Now you can see there is inbox, start, snooze and items and all. So I have made the account from this name inside server Gmail. So whatever you would like to, you can make your own Gmail account through this, because if you ask like from a professional point of view, Gmail are more secure than any other web, like Hotmail or whatsoever live. The Gmail is more preferable. That's my point of view and choice. So thank you so much for staying tuned to my channel. I hope you like my videos. Please do subscribe and do share with your friends and family. I will be coming up with more videos of like a very small tutorials so that you can have the idea. If you want me to give you any other maybe workshop or any other you want, please feel free and write in the comment section. All right then, take care.